Jasmy explicitly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. The EMA 50 generally is at present at $0.007. Or so they in every practical sense thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is floating at $87,003,429, which by and large is very critical. Jasmy basically has its by and large next obstruction at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. 14 September 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, clarified some things facts. What in a real sense is most certainly transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, all things considered, is Jasmy a by and large wise speculation? Or so they basically thought. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, fundamentally let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations, showing that Jasmy truly acquired around 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, which by and large is very huge. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,907,408,331 in an unpretentious manner. The extremely complete exchanging volume especially remains at $27,882,883,474, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of additional appearance. How the very all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $27,882,883,474, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level after a vertical development of 1.81%. Exhibiting that however prior to jumping kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation, by and large, let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, showing that Jasmy in a real sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours. Truly further appearance how Jasmy generally acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time period, which for the most part shows that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, or so they certainly thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, showing that XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. Which certainly is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. So however prior to jumping certainly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, by and large, let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations, showing that Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in a genuinely huge manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a really descending course for genuinely momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, an extremely broad, certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is very critical. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a by and large enormous manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers truly become in every practical sense all the more especially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Kind of additional appearance how Jasmy for the most part has its exceptionally next opposition at $0.006, or so they generally thought. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants in a real sense move pretty dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The fundamentally current Jasmy coin cost in every way that really matters is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level after a vertical development of 1.81%, showing that however prior to plunging truly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, showing that Jasmy especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours. Presently, Jasmy in every practical sense is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. Amazingly, Jasmy coin value investigation. Jasmy cost examination for 14 September 2023, insight and all things considered, day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of underneath, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA. 2 in every practical sense. Break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, exhibiting how 14 September 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters. Got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is for the most part transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Explicitly, is Jasmy a truly wise interest in a quite huge manner? The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, or so they really thought. Jasmy coin financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day graph further appearance. How market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,053,907,408,331, which sort of is genuinely critical. The overall strength file RSI for Jasmy coin generally is as of now drifting at 19 for 14 days in every way that really matters, normal line, which explicitly implies Jasmy certainly is an oversold zone and a pattern by and large inversion sort of is conceivable, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while